I am at the Luang Namtha market with the trekking guide, Peng, and we are here to buy some food before we start the trek. And he's buying some rice at the moment. And we are officially in the Namha National Protected Area. We are in the town of Challansuk. Check out the houses. Very unique.
สบายดีนี่ซื้อบ่าวนะมาอยู่บ้านนี่อายุเกิดปี88อายุได้35ปีแล้วก็เฮ็ดอยากนำเที่ยวได้11ปีขอบใจหลายๆ
ขอบใจหลายๆ 10:14 a.m. We're starting our trek and we're leaving Challansuk. Can you tell me how many people live in this village?
บ้านเฮานี่ประมาณกี่คนก็สักบ่
300ฝ่าย
It's more than 300 people.
Bao is cleaning the fish here because there's no water to clean fish up the mountain. We're definitely in a jungle country. Look how thick the vegetation is. There's a trail, but the vegetation is still very thick, as you can see. I'm going uphill now. So this trail is only used by this one company called the Hiker. No other tour company is using this trail. I believe each company has its own trail so that they don't run into each other, and then also to preserve the nature as much as possible. I am walking ahead of Peng and Bao, but they're not too far behind. I hear them. Wow, look at the size of this tree. Looks like there's no trail, but there is a trail that I see. All right. Wow.
Oh! Be careful. Are you okay?
Yeah. This is a very steep hill. Eat the leaf? Oh, Bao is eating just a leaf. Okay. Okay, it's not bitter. It's actually not bad.
Sabadi, welcome to Luang Namtha. My name is Pang. I'm a tour guide and I work for like 7 years. I'm 29 years old. I'm from Punoi. This is my ethnic group. So in Laos we have 49 different minorities. So every ethnic they have different dialects and different like living. This is the cardamom. So cardamom is we have a few different types in the forest. Like this, like nobody grow it. They also grow it for the nature by themselves. But local people they use the cardamom like for drink it. Is they believe it's like can be like very good for the health. And because when someone have the baby, they clean this pot and then they also boil it for drink it. And then in the local villages, if they have the children, if they're going like 7-8 months, and then they start to walk. Like they compare to like in the city, at least they're more than 1 year. But this is what they believe is mean that when they're moms, they always drink from this, and then they believe it's like they can help for the children. But we can also use the leaf, this leaf. So it means we can also make it like a tea from the cardamom leaf. But we can also have the seed. So the seed we sell it. So we have 3 different like the cardamom in the forest. But this is the most smaller. Is a little bit more expensive than compared to others.
Bao was chopping at this tree with his machete, and this is called tiger balm tree. You mean the tiger balm we buy in stores?
Yeah.
Oh, it's good. It's good.
It's a galanga.
Kalanga.
You know galanga?
No.
They put in Thailand. They use it a lot for the like tom yum.
Oh, in Tom Yum.
So they put it here, and they also put the salad. But you can also eat them. They also be hot like a spicy.
Ah, can I try?
Spicy.
Ah, okay. Just a little bit.
It's spicy.
Okay. Okay. All right, we just arrived at the place where we're gonna have lunch and meet another local guide who will take us to our campsite for tonight. We are going to grill fish for lunch.
Một xe.
What's that like that? Thank you like that. Looking for Kim. If you are going to the jungles and before you start to eating, so just grab the rice,
Okay.
and we just dip with the food, like all the food on the table, and then we just throw it for spirit, for good luck.
Oh, for the spirit to eat the food.
Yeah.
Ah, you're giving food to the spirit
Spirit. Yeah.
for blessing. Okay.
Enjoy. Chili.
Such a beautiful jungle. And right now, Pang and I are the only ones here in this area. So wonderful. This tree must be really old. So beautiful. Here is the local guide, Som, diligently chopping down banana tree leaves.
Yeah, so the first you build your own shelter. So you need to looking for some like the area, and I think like this is perfect to build in the shelter. So like the first we need to clean. Like this, we chop we take all the leaves. Otherwise, if you don't clean it, sometimes they have like centipede or something like. Also, it'd be dangerous as well. So you have to clean all like the leaves like this. And then we need like bamboo, because the bamboo is very easy to chop it. And we need like a full big bamboo.
Wow.
It's so high, right? Here. And one more on the back. And then here. Like this. This bamboo, it means we're gonna cook. We're gonna put the rice inside for cooking, and for now like empty. But the bamboo you can use for cooking is not very old. It should be like the bamboo from last year. So, and then we put some banana leaf, and we put the rice, and then we put water, and then we boil it.
Right, I'm filtering water using Sawyer filter. This water is from the stream, and this is filtered water. This is our romantic, wonderful dinner in the middle of jungle that Pang prepared for us. We have a sticky rice that was cooked in bamboo and banana leaves. We have some spices here. Oh, this is a pork fat or skin, pork meat, and Pang's special tomato-based sauce. He even brought 2 candles so we can have candle-lit dinner. I'm so excited to try the food. I'm sure they're delicious. The sticky rice came out really well. This just looks incredible.